News at Austin's Erica Riggins sat down with some folks in the industry to talk about Austin's wireless future.
Tuesday's forum revolves around Austin's wireless future. We have two gentlemen here to talk a little bit about that. Organizers of the event, Alex Cavalli, Deputy Director of IC2, and Aaron DeFosse. You are the Director of IT and Wireless at ATI. Thank you both for coming in today to talk about something that looks like it will have a big impact. Now, before we talk about the forum, we want to really talk about just how will wireless impact Austin's economy. And Alex, we'll start with you. Will it be a big impact? What kind of impact?
Wireless has already impacted Austin's economy. There are over 90 wireless companies in Austin today. We have a major wireless networking and communication group at the University of Texas. And recent press announcements, if they are any indication, indicate that something like $40 million has recently been invested in wireless companies in Austin. So if that growth and rate of investment continues, then wireless will have a major impact on our economic future.
As evident by the interest, we should mention Tuesday's forum, you're expecting standing room only, waiting list already. There's such demand for people wanting to learn more about Wireless 201 and Austin's wireless future. Talk to us about the forum.
Well, really the forum has two components. The first component is to provide a shared vision, if you will, and a roadmap for how do we actually develop this industry in Austin, and that's something that we're going to be talking about quite a bit at the forum. The second part and the second component is to really provide an education, if you will, of what is the wireless industry and what are the various components in the wireless industry and how does Austin play into those. What do we have that can make us successful in that industry? So that's what we're going to try to achieve.
And Aaron, more specifically on Tuesday, you're one of the guest speakers. You're presenting a topic or talking about accelerating wireless in Austin. Talk about how do you do that exactly?
Well, you know, the great thing, Erica, is that Austin already has phenomenal assets in order to do this. We have a deep set of expertise and capabilities in the semiconductor industry, which we developed over many years, software as well, and those two are key elements if you want to play in the wireless sector. So really the one of the things that we are going to be able to do in Austin, and we're starting to do, is we want to bring together all those assets in industry together with what is happening at the University of Texas, together with what the city and the state want to do, and collaborate. If we can collaborate, and we're starting to do this as evidenced by this event, which is really a collaboration of all those areas, if we can collaborate and speak with one voice to the rest of the country and the rest of the world for that matter, then I think we're going to be very successful.
It'll benefit everyone.
Absolutely.
And I think the hard question, we're going to come back to Alex here from IC2, really what a lot of people just at home might want to know when we talk about impacting Austin's economy. They're wondering, how does that impact me? And, you know, there have been thousands of layoffs over the last several years because of, you know, in the high-tech sector. Do you anticipate wireless filling some of that void in the future?
We do. We absolutely do. I think the way to look at this is Austin is beginning its next phase of its economy, and wireless is going to be a principal player in that, among other pieces. But wireless will provide a significant portion of our economic engine in the next phase of our economy.
Much more to look forward to, so we look forward to learning more Tuesday's forum. So anyone interested, they should give you guys a call. Again, no, it's not sold out, but it's free, but it's standing room only. You met your capacity, which again shows the demand and the interest of wireless technology, and especially here in Austin. Thank you both for joining us. We wish you the best of luck with Tuesday's forum. We will follow that as well. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The Business of Wireless Technology Forum is Monday, January 13th at the MCC Building Auditorium on West Breaker Lane. It's open to the public, but space is limited. To register, log on to austintechnologycouncil.com.